PD Woo Tracking Order, a perfect order tracker plugin for WooCommerce. Now let's talk about the plugin. With the help of our plugin, you can add unlimited custom order status to show in the order tracker for the users. When we see the settings page, at first you can add unlimited carrier list, which can be used for each orders individually. There are very useful global settings for both functionality and the user interface. Also, there are a list of placeholders which we'll be using later in this demo video. Now we'll jump right into the custom order status. So now, let's have a look over these status identifiers. Does these looks familiar to you? Yes, it is. These are the default statuses available in WooCommerce. When we activate the plugin, these statuses are automatically created for you to use with the Woocommerce Order Status respectively. Now let's look deeper into this admin interface, where you can drag and sort the order of the custom order statuses. So after each arrangement is done, you'll be able to see the order numbers changed in the order column. Also, you can add unlimited custom statuses based on your need. Now, what the visibility toggle really does is, it can be explicitly visible for your customers in the order tracker. We will test and see that part later. Now let us edit the custom order status. Let us go to the first order status, which is on hold. When we are inside the status page, we can see a bunch of options available to add and edit. So let's see what are those. The first one is the order status visibility toggle, which is the same what we saw on the order status list. The next one is the order status titles, in that we can see three options available. One is the finished title, the second one is active title, and the last one is upcoming title. Now basically these three status titles will be visible if the custom order status is active, finished, or if it is the upcoming status. Below to that, we can see order status messages. Same like the titles, messages also has finished message, active message, and upcoming message. Now you will be wondering what this will do exactly with the front end. We will just go to that part very soon. Okay, now let's continue with other options. The next options are kept for sending email. When a customer order is selected from the order page, corresponding email will be sent separately other than the WooCommerce email. Also, you could able to see some variables are added along with two curly braces. Those are the placeholders which we can use in the titles and messages. List of placeholders will be visible in a pop-up when you click here. Remember to use it with the two curly braces opened and closed. Fill up the titles and messages logically based on your need. You can send a track order link along with the email message like this. Once the adding or editing is done with the options available, you can just save or update the custom order status. Now let us create some custom order status manually. You can see there is already two custom order status is created, but we will create another one. This status will denote that the order is shipped when it's active, or it will say that the order is not yet shipped when the status is not active. You can set the order of this custom order status here, or if you are not sure, then it's okay. Just save the status and we will sort it out from the custom order status list. Now let us see what we can do with the settings page. But first, let's add some career names. You can add all those carrier names which you will be using to deliver the orders. Next, we can go through the global settings. Here you can see a bunch of options available to edit, but what we do right now is, we will just enable the visibility of the tracking order in the order thank you page and in the view order page. Also, we can enable sending emails when a custom order status is selected. Now let us place the order and see what happens with the settings we made. Here is the order tracker map, which is visible and below of the thank you page. Let us play with the settings page and see how we can deal with the user interface changes. Visibility toggle buttons comes handy in the settings page. Let's toggle off the order thank you page visibility. We can see now it's hidden in the order thank you page. Alright, let's enable it again. We can even change the tracker line color and the size of the pinpoints from here. Alright, now the color has been changed. Here's how you can change the size of the pinpoints. Now let us see the shop order page and see what happens with the settings we made. Now this order is currently on hold, so let us change it to processing. If we don't want to send this custom order status as a separate email, you can disable it. But as of now, let us enable it and test both the default Woocommerce email and custom order status email. Fine. Now let us update this. Let us check whether the email is received or not. Okay, now we have received both the default Woocommerce email and custom order status email. Now, let us check the custom order status email separately by changing the custom order status to order shipped. Now, let us choose a carrier name, which we added in the global settings, and the carrier pickup date as well as a tracking ID, or else you can add a link from the carrier website. But as of now, I am entering some random tracking ID. After entering the appropriate data, let us keep the custom email toggle enabled. But this time, we are not updating the order status as usual with default WooCommerce update button. We will be using the plugins Save and Send Email button to send the custom order status email alone. Now, let us check again the mailbox, where we have received only our custom order status email that is mentioned as shipped. Alright, now let us look into the order tracker page in the front end. The tracker's stages are showing as expected. Let us finally complete the order by choosing completed in the WooCommerce default status dropdown, as well as the custom status dropdown as completed. Now, I want to send both the default email as well as the custom order status email, but you are free to do as per your need, so now we will use the default update button. Now the order is updated. Let's check the order tracker status for the changes. Yes, it is updated as expected. Now let us check the email once again to see whether we have received both the emails. Yes, we have got both the emails correctly. Finally, two global settings left out, which is the order tracker title and default carrier name. If there is carrier which you're using frequently, you can set it globally to be selected from all the shop order admin page. Alright folks, we have just covered almost all the features available in the plugin. If this is useful, give us a like and some valuable comments. Also do subscribe to our channel to get more updates on WordPress plugins and web tutorials. Enjoy the plugin.